Hey there, my name is Mark, and this is a completely unscripted, unincentivized, and 100% honest testimonial for ClicksGeek. So, I have got an ad agency, and we do PPC management as well as some other things for a lot of local clients or even national clients. I had heard originally about ClicksGeek listening to Lion Deal podcast, great kind of industry podcast about ad agencies. And I really liked what I heard Ed say about their way of doing business. One of the things that I loved from what I heard from Ed was that when he was talking about his partner, Robert, um, the host asked why Ed had chosen to work with Robert for his kind of fulfillment and as his business partner. And he said, well, Robert is the person that I know that sets up campaigns better than anybody else I've ever seen. He just does a better job and gets better results. That's why we're business partners. I really like the sound of that. So I really thought about working with him at that point. Then later, I actually met John Logar, who's an amazing teacher and consultant, and I told him I was thinking about working with ClicksGeek, and he said, I recommend them too for doing white label fulfillment for AdWords. And I said, okay. After that, I called Ed over at ClicksGeek and signed up with him. Now that's been maybe 6 months ago. We've got a lot of clients that Ed and the team, Robert at ClicksGeek, are managing. They don't manage all of our clients because they don't do management for every single PPC account you may have. Ed actually gave me a great recommendation for another company that works with us, and they're awesome too. But for the accounts that Ed does manage for us and that ClicksGeek manages for us, there's two things that I love. One is that the cost is incredibly affordable. In fact, I don't even know how they charge us so low. I mean, they do a lot of work and they just really get it done very, very affordably. And because of that, I'm able to charge more than them and actually, get money from, kind of brokering or sort of having clients while ClicksGeek is doing the fulfillment for us. But the second thing that I love about working with ClicksGeek, and this is real, I mean, this is a big deal, is that they get results. And when I mean results, I'm talking about like ridiculous conversion rates for my clients. And, for us in the kind of retail side of the PPC management, working with clients, if we don't get results, we will get fired. If I don't get results from my clients, it's over. And so when we first hired ClicksGeek, we were concerned that they may not actually be able to perform, that it may be hypey and they may not do as good of a job as it sounded like they could do. Well, really it's been the opposite. They have actually proved to me, and this is true, they've proved to me that AdWords itself is even a more viable sales channel than I ever actually thought that it was. And I mean, my clients are thrilled. ClicksGeek does reporting every week to us, but we have got our own reporting set up in place because I wanted to make sure that it was done just right. And so I compare my reporting to their reporting. It's the same. And it, sure enough, I mean, the results that we see internally are incredible. They're amazing. And I'm not trying to be hypey here. I'm not that kind of guy. We just, I'm shooting this because I'm so impressed with their work that I wanted to tell you guys about it and tell you how good it is. So seriously, if you're considering doing AdWords for clients, if you need a white label partner, I 100% recommend working with ClicksGeek. We expect to be working with them for years, and I just want to say, Ed, Robert, the whole team over at ClicksGeek, thank you so much for all the work you've done with us. Talk to you later.